In this tutorial, we will continue the exercise that we have started with in the previous video, where we found the lowest and highest value Q1, median, and Q3. Now on this scale right here, I'm going to use a scale of 10 and plot the points and the lines that we have come up with through the summary statistics of the previous tutorial. Now on a scale of 10, let's go ahead and put first the lowest as a point. The lowest was at 47, so it's going to be right here. And as you can see, it's a point. The lowest and highest values are represented on the graph as points. Now for the highest value, it was at 79. So it's somewhere right here, close to the 80. Again, the highest is also represented as a point. Only the lowest and highest values are represented as points, since Q1, median, and Q3 are represented as equal length straight lines. Doesn't matter the length, but all of the lengths of Q1, median, and Q3 should be equal. Now for Q1, it was at 56.5 right here. And so on top of that, we're gonna have to draw a line. For the median, it was right here at 63. And finally, for Q3, it was at 66.5 right here. And so at these three coordinates, we're going to draw equal length straight lines that are parallel to each other. For the median, it was at 63. And now let's draw another one for Q1 and another one for Q3. Notice that they are of equal length. Doesn't matter the length again, but the length of all three straight lines should be equal. And now, after you have drawn the straight lines of these, the next step is to connect them horizontally and from edge to edge, from Q1 up to Q3 until you form a small box. This is basically the box that represents Q1, median, and Q3. On the left side is Q1, on the right side is Q3, and the line in the middle separating the box into two parts is basically the median. And so this is the box that we are talking about. Now the next step is to connect the dot to the edge of the box horizontally in a straight line. So I'm going to connect them right now. And this is basically how you connect the lowest and the highest value to Q1 and Q3 respectively. And these are called the whiskers. So this is a whisker box plot. Again, in the middle is the median. On the left side is the lowest, and on the right side is the highest value, connected by whiskers to the box plot that contains Q1 and Q3. Now, you can quickly notice that there's a cluster in Q3 since it's only between 63 and 66.5. So the range of the data within Q3 is very limited. Unlike the Q1, which is more relaxed. They are not clustered, they're more distributed since it's between 56.5 and 63. Now this is basically how you can draw a box plot, and in the upcoming tutorials we will get to learn how we can analyze the box plot.